Warm greetings to everybody. Today, I, Anya Gupta, a student of class 10, am here to present my views for the motion of hybrid classrooms stone to milestone. As we know, the ever-evolving technology is always highly innovative. As the people say, technology integration is not an event. It should be an everyday part of classrooms like crayons and breathing. It seems as if the universe heard us. The adverse effects of global pandemic COVID-19 eventually led to the lockdown, which ensured that millions of people were confined to their homes except when they ventured out whenever necessary. While this has been helpful in controlling the spread of COVID-19, established systems like health, education, industries got affected severely. According to the World Economic Forum, more than 1.2 billion children in 186 countries got affected by school closures due to the pandemic. Educational institutions were forced to adopt online teaching methods and technologies that diverge from typical classroom environment at lightning speeds. Currently, the online teaching method is being used extensively and many educational institutions are starting to implement hybrid learning models. Hybrid learning combines face-to-face instruction with online learning. In other words, hybrid learning is an educational model where some students attend class in person while others join classes virtually from home. Educators teach in-person and remote students at the same time using tools like video conferencing, softwares and hardware. Students can also be called to classrooms on rotation basis for discussions, group assessments, assignments and clarification of doubts. Each individual's needs and problems get equal importance and solutions. The hybrid education boosts self-confidence and prepares the students to be self-disciplined and independent, the qualities that have real-world applications and aid better prospects for professional growth. Education cannot stop or be held hostage in the pandemic situation. While the lockdown and the pandemic have led to unbearable losses in the education system, at least one can see a silver lining. Education being more accessible even in the remote locations. As India and the whole world access virtual classes, flexible assignments, freedom of subjects, it will be easier to train the next set of workforce as they're already quite adapted to the virtual platforms. As George Couros once said, technology will not replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers can be truly transformational. Although hybrid programs require an investment in technology, in the long run, with effective capacity building, they can truly help us transform our classrooms completely. All in all, in my opinion, hybrid classrooms brought more benefits than harm. With this, I rest my case.
Are slowly evolving as a truth of our society. But are these classes good for everyone? Let's talk about this. So, Akshay Sehgal is present here to talk about the deficiencies of the system or to present my thoughts against the motion hybrid classes stone to milestone. As we are present here already know about what are hybrid classes, I will just give a small summary. In hybrid classes, students complete a part of their coursework in online learning platform and the remaining part is done through in-person sessions with the teachers in schools. Now, if I talk about the cons of these hybrid classes, my fellow friend here said that the students get more schedule flexibility in hybrid classes than in other in personal sessions. But as we all know that everybody is unique and everybody has their own skill set. So everybody would not be having great management skills and would lack in these skills. So if there is a child with a brilliant mind and if he or she is lacking behind in management skills, he or she would not be able to cope up with the classmates and might start feeling depressed or mentally pressurized and their talent would go in vain. Also, the hybrid classes become a financial burden on the parents of the students as they have to first buy books for the students for in-person sessions and then they have to buy computers and mobile phones for their students to get great online learning experience. My fellow friend here also said that these hybrid classes help the students in clearing their questions and problems very easily. But if we take into consideration the problems such as poor internet connection, we would get to know that many students are not even able to hear the teacher's voice loud and clear, and clearing their doubts is a very distant thing. Now, also a big problem that occurs in front of the children is that they don't have any time for their hobbies, self-exploration and socializing. Due to this problem, the students get mentally pressurized as they first have to attend their schools, then they have to do their assignments, and then after that they have to learn their course for exams. But as they are not having any time for themselves or these activities, they might get mentally pressurized or get ultimately the students becoming short-tempered or easily prone to frustration. I might take an idea from the movie Three Idiots that the students are coming to their colleges and schools for studying and not for becoming pressure cookers. And I agree that these hybrid classes would give the students best of both the worlds, virtual and reality. But if we talk about the problems that can occur due to these classes, these problems can be lifelong for the students. Thank you.